This is a powder filling machine, and if you want to buy a repair-free powder filling machine for your business, then you should know the 18 quality checkpoints. And in this video, I'm going to talk about the quality of the clutch brake. There are 3 things you should know for evaluating the quality of the clutch brake. Number 1, casing material. The casing of the clutch and brake should be made of a special heat and corrosion resistant alloy. This ensures longevity and performance by withstanding the heat and moisture generated during the powder filling process. Number 2, friction disc. Quality friction disc should be always made out of materials like carbon composites and high friction materials. This guarantees consistent performance, especially during high speed, high volume production. Number 3, coil winding. You should verify that the coil winding is manufactured with copper and not aluminium. Copper coil winding is a crucial part in a powder filling machine to maintain efficiency and longevity. Here's a bonus tip. The outside of the clutch brake might look same everywhere, but this doesn't mean that the material that is used inside will be the same at each and every manufacturer. So always verify. If you are a part of food production, chemical, pharmaceutical, FMCG business, then make sure to follow this account for more such money saving tips. Or contact us now if you want to buy a repair free powder filling machine for your business at an unbeatable price.